understand. So what we will do, we will take this router 1 2 3 and we will take 3 switches 1 2 3 and then we will connect see here port is not there, you will get this warning. So what you need to do, you need to add a port here. Switch off the router and this is a card. You can click and read here which card you need. So you need fast Ethernet, this one we can use. Here you can see you have how many interface, 2 fast Ethernet. So just drag and drop here and power on this. So now they have the card and you can connect like this. And then you can connect like this. We pick up this one interface. We can pick up any, but we are using this one. Yeah, you have one here. If you want to, you select this, so you will have 2 here. Fast Ethernet 2. Fast Ethernet. You can select the Ethernet, anything. Okay. So now what we will say here, we will connect some computers. And we will connect with cables. Okay. Now here I will give the name so it will be easy for us to configure this. Okay, now what you need, if you want, I will do zoom in. Observe carefully here, you need to put the IP. So this side I will give. This one, the one which I am writing, that will be gateway to the LAN side. Because this one is directly connected to our computers. And here also I will write like 192.168.2.1/24. Here also I can write like 192.168.3.1/24. Okay, so these are the gateways. This is going to assign to this interface. This one is here. This one is going to assign to this interface. And now we will use in between. So here I can write 192.168.12.0/24. So that is nothing but here this interface 12.1, this interface 12.2. You know already that one, that logic we are using. And here I wrote 23. Why I am writing 12? Because I am saying this is R1, this is R2, so I am writing 12. Here this is R2 and this is R3, so I am writing 23.0. You can use anything, but this is easy and simple to understand the concept, so we are using this one. Now we need to do the lab. So here what we will do, zero. No, this is different interface, this is different interface. 0/0 is this one, 0/1 is this one. Both are different interface. Which one you are saying same, the interface or IP or what one? Yeah, here see different, F0/0. This one is first 1 is coming, then 0. Here first 0 is coming, then 1. So different. This one and this one. No, here 23.1, here 23.2. Yeah, IP will have unique, means each device will have unique IP. You should not assign the same IP to more than one device. So this will be 23.1, here will be 23.2. So here we can write like basic static root lab by using 3 router. So let's do the R1 configuration. Now you tell me the configuration, what we will do when we want to do the router configuration. First we will go in the privilege mode, then go to the config tree, then change the name of the device, then go to the interface, then put the IP to the interface. It is clear, check. Yes, because by default CISCO router interface is done. Then this is the interface, this one. IP address 192. Okay. Where yours top one is for router, below one is for switch. Yeah, we will not give anything here. Yes. So this is the just we assign the IP address. Now we need to do the routing. So static routing we are doing. So IP root. Then here this is directly connected. So you will not see. First let's see this one. If you want to go here, then what you do, you will write here if anyone want to go here with this subnet mask, then send to whom? Send to this interface. This interface is having 12.2. Yes. So if anyone want to go here, forward here. Yes, next hop. Then after that, if anyone want to go to this network, you will write here also 192.168. We want to tell router this one because router don't know. If you go inside the router and check this information, router don't know this one. R1 don't know anything about that one. So we need to tell whatever, because this one is directly connected, so you will not say anything about this one, but this one is not directly connected, so you need to tell about these 3 things. So see here, next hop will be 192.168. Same thing, next hop will remain same, this one only the next hop. If you go here, this is the next hop. Clear, right? If you want to go this side, what will be next hop? So that's why I wrote this IP here. If anyone want to go to this network, forward here. See here, if you want, you tell me, you are standing here, you want to go to here, so who will be next hop to you? This one. So what is the IP of this one? So that's why I wrote this. Clear or? First one, okay. This one, if Last one. Okay, this one you are saying. This one same thing. You tell me what will be command. First we will write IP root, then network ID. Yeah, 192.168 3.0 network ID is 0. Then subnet mask /24 they have. So you will write like this. Next hop. What is the next hop? Same thing, because if you want to go from, you are standing here, you want to go from here to here, this you need to cross only. This is only the next hop. So here you will write here 192.168.12.2. Clear, right? So let's copy paste this in the router and let's see if you get any error, anything. See here, if I do any mistake, see here what I done the mistake. What will be the subnet mask? So this one is not executed, remaining thing is executed here. So I need to correct that path. So what I will do, how I can correct, just I go here and remove this like this, and then only this much part I can copy, I can paste here. Okay, now it is good. Any confusion? Okay, so this R1 configuration is done. Now you need to look the R2. So R2 configuration I can copy like this, whole thing I can paste here, change here, and see here you have one side like this, one side like this. You have only two sides. This one you will not take, this is directly connected to you. This one you will not take directly connected. This one you will not take directly connected. You will take only this, only this. Clear? So what you will say, this one 1.0 you can write here. If anyone want to go to 1.0, you are standing here. What will be the next hop? You tell me next hop. I am standing here. I want to go here. So what will be the next hop? (12.2) 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 1. So this will be 12.1. So this is finish. Now I have here. I want to go from here to here. So what will be the next hop? See this one. You want to go here. Yes. You are standing here. You are standing here. Yes. Here network. Correct. That's all. Like this you need to think. If this guy want to go here, next to me is this. If this guy want to go here, next to me is this. That's all. So you will copy paste in the R2. And you check here everything is good. Sometime if you do something wrong, you will have here error. See here some error I am getting here. You need to observe like this. Sometime you will have this error also. So you need to check what is the error, why we are getting. So which one we are getting here? IP root or root 192.168.1.0. So if anyone want to go here, next hop will be in 192.168.12.1. So here what we configure, 12.1 only we configure, right? Or we configure something different, we can check. Okay, here you see you have this warning also. So you need to observe here. Maybe we configure duplicate. I done wantedly to show you. See, check here. You got it here. This is the, yes. Now how I can correct? Just copy this, go here and paste here. Okay. Now you can paste this. Before you are getting this error, right? Now you can paste and check it will work. Now no error. And now you need to do for router 3. So here I will divide the notepad and I can copy this whole thing, or this one we will copy because this is similar to the R1 3 root we have. So now let's see here. This is the router 3, we can say. This is the router 3. Now you can see F0 by 0 what you have here. 23, this one. Now first assign the IP. First assign the IP here. This is clear from here to here. F0 by 0, this one. Okay, now you need to go here. So next hop will be, you are going from here to here. So who will be next hop to you? Next hop is this one. So what will be that IP? Yes. Then you need to go here. So what you will write in this place? You are standing here. Here, then here, in between, then here. So now you need to go here. So you will write, if anyone want to go to this one with this subnet mask, where you need to forward? Here only. So what will be that one? Understand or any confusion? Okay. What you can remember, if you are going this side or this, all the time next hop will be this one only. So this remains same for all the cases. Here also you will have 23.1 here, and what is the, you go here, so this network ID you need to write here. You go here, so this network ID you need to write here. If you go here, then you need to write this network ID. So this network ID will be 2. So subnet mask, then next hop. Clear, right? Now you can copy and go here inside the R3 and you can paste. Now for 3 router, how difficult we are feeling. Imagine if you have 100 router, it will be headache. So for that purpose we will go for dynamic routing. So in the dynamic routing, router will do automatically. Yeah, that's why we will go for this another one. And here if you see, maybe we did not configure here this interface also. Here you see, here this is done, right? This one is done, red color, so we did not configure this. So go here and copy this and paste here and modify this f1/0. So you will see this is 1, and this will be 2.1, and copy this much and go here, paste here and save here. And what error do you get? Any error you need to check here. Okay, so now this one is done. You can go inside the any router and write here. Now you have any duplicate? Nothing, right? That is old message. You can write show IP route and check here. You are getting the route. You are here. They are saying if anyone want to go to this one, means this one below one here, send here this one next hop. And if anyone want to go to this one, that is this here, this side, send the here, same thing here. If anyone want to go to this one, that is in between these routers, send the here. So this is all need to send here. Whatever we configure here, that one you are getting. Any confusion here? Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will save this here. This one with the 3 router, but if you have 10 router, it will be difficult. That's why we will go for dynamic routing protocol. Yeah, so now see here, let me assign IP here, some IP. Which IP you need to give here? The IP which you give to the gateway, same subnet IP you need to give here. So I will give this 1.2 example. Go here, assign here this IP. Gateway will be the router interface IP which is connecting to us. This IP you will give as a gateway. This IP gateway for this area only. And this IP is a gateway for this area. This IP is gateway for this area. Yeah, that area, this area, this one. So here I will say this is 2.2. Just I am assigning one IP to one computer here. This will be 2.1. And here we can say this will be 3.2. we can say. We can go here and we can paste here. This will be 3.1. Now you can ping. You are standing here and you can go here and you can ping from here. You can write ping 192.168.3.2 and ping and wait. You reply first packet or maybe 2-3 packet will drop for ARP. So let's see, it is not coming. Let's try again. Still the same thing. Then I need to check first I am reachable here or not. I can ping my gateway or not. Maybe we do some misconfiguration here. Still it is not. Yes. So now how to troubleshoot this? You can ping your gateway. What is your gateway? 192.168.1.1. This is your gateway. So you can reach till here. Then after that you can check, you can reach here. You can reach till here also. Then let's check, you can reach here. Here you cannot reach. So something wrong here, in between here. So we need to check, maybe here you don't have the routing, maybe some issue here. So you can go to this router and you can write first show IP interface brief. So interface is up, and check you assign the IP here F0 by 1. Here this one 0 by 1 here. 192.168.1.1 is good, here is good. So let's see, I will write show IP root static, you can write. So you will get static root. Here you have entry, you are pinging, what you are pinging here, just now we are pinging 12.2. So 12.2 you have here, it is directly connected. So you can see in this place you have 12.2. So maybe in this router we configure incorrect. You can ping from here directly connected, right? So you can ping 192.168.12.2 and check directly connected, it is working. So root is going here, I think. So let's see here, because just like this we will do troubleshooting and check here. You have here you don't have any static root. See here, nothing is showing here S. If you are getting S means static root. Here in the R2 we have the issue. R2 is not having the root, which is going here, and not having this root also. This root. R2 should have these two roots. So maybe we forget to paste this one, or maybe we did not paste, or anything go wrong here. This should be there in the R2. Like R2 should know if anyone want to go to 1.0 where he should send, or if anyone want to go to 3.0 where he should send. But here nothing is showing here. See. So maybe when we paste here you have the error and it is not executed. Maybe that time here. You see here. This is the error you get, that's why it is not executed. So again we pasted back, then why it is not came here, let's see. IP root 192.168.1.0, this one, this is the next hop here, and this will be the next hop here. So but it is not showing here. So what we can do, we can write show run and check here in the running configuration it is present or not. It is present here. See here IP root 192.168.3.0, so 23.2. If anyone want to go 192.168.1.0, then here 12.1. So here it is showing. But here it is showing show IP root, but in the routing table it is not coming. So what I will do here, I will save the configuration, I will reload and we will check. Okay, so now still you don't have here. So you are saying let's paste again and check. Let's try that. It is not showing. So why it is not showing, we need to check. Let's check here what you have here in this one. You are getting here, or here also same problem. Here you are getting in R3 you are getting something. If you see, if anyone want to, here also you are getting correctly one. If anyone want to, but here also if you see, like this, you can write show IP root static and check here. R3 is saying if anyone want to go to 1. network, they will forward here 23.1 here. And if anyone want to go to 2.0 network, means this network, they will forward here. And if anyone want to go to 12 network, he will forward here. So only the problem here. I can write show interface brief and check here IP address we have here 12.2 1.1 here. Let's see F0 by 0 12.2 and here F0 by here. See here what is wrong here. IP address we assigned wrong here. What is the IP here? F0 by 1. So maybe when we paste wrong here. Yeah, see here. This should be what IP you should have here 23. Yes. So this is one problem. This way you need to do the troubleshooting. If it is not working, then you need to check. Most of the issue we will get with misconfiguration most of the time. So now we pasted here. Now you write show IP route and check here. Now routes are coming. See, now you can ping. Okay, so here let's see if it is still not working, then we need to do more troubleshooting. Now it is working. See, okay, this one let's try to ping. We ping what? Gateway we ping, or now we need to ping 2.2. This computer I'm pinging from here to here. It is working, and then I will ping this one, this 3.2. It is working. See, so now everything is working. If you want to cross check, you can cross check also this way, like you can ping this one is your PC, this one, so you can ping 192.168.1.2. it is working from here to here. Then you can ping like this 2.2. you can ping from there to here. So everything is working perfectly. So this is a static route, we can say, and here only I created some problem here just to have idea, like we will have these types of issue. So in real world also we will have 70 to 80% will do misconfiguration only. So carefully we need to observe, we need to check what we done wrong. Okay, so let me stop.